Office 365 REST API, Python, mark email as read. I'm sure I'm doing something simple wrong, but I can't for the life of me figure out how to set the isRead property to true. It's the last step of my process that gets a filtered list of messages and stores and processes any attachments. According to the docs, isRead is writable, this URL. This URL. I'm using Python 2.7 and the request module. The response that comes back is this. What's the problem with my request?
At first glance it looks okay. I wonder if the content type header isn't being set to application/JSON or something along those lines. Try getting a network trace and verify that the request looks something like.
Well, I have an answer for myself, and it is indeed a simple matter. It was a mistake to not fully read how patch is different from get or post. In short, it's important to make sure your headers are set for the right content type. Here is the working code.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.